So today, I noticed that my storage space is getting really low, and I need to free up some space on my PC. When I checked my drive, I only had around 5 gigabytes left, which is really bad. The problem is, I don't even know what files are taking up all the storage. There could be huge files hidden somewhere on the PC, but finding them manually is almost impossible. So I started looking for a tool that can quickly show me what's using all my storage space, and that's when I found this. All right, let's check it out and see how it works. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open your browser and search for WizTree. After that, open the official WizTree website. Now, before downloading it, let's quickly look at why this software is actually useful. As you can see, WizTree helps you free up disk space by finding large files and folders on your PC. One of the best things about it is how fast it is. Unlike other apps that take a long time to scan your drive, WizTree can scan everything in just seconds. It also saves a lot of time because you can instantly see what's taking up your storage. Another great thing is that it's accurate, so the storage information matches what Windows reports. And the best part? It's completely free for personal use. Once the download is finished, open the setup file and install the software like normal. The installation process is really simple and only takes a few seconds. After installing, you can launch the app and start scanning your drives to find large files and folders instantly. All right, now let's open it up and see how it works. All right, so once the scan is complete, the first thing you want to do is select the drive or operating system you want to analyze. In my case, I'm checking the C drive since that's where most Windows and application files are stored. Now, one important thing you'll notice here is this percentage section. This basically shows how much space each folder is using compared to the entire drive. For example, if one folder says around 60%, that means it's taking up a huge amount of storage space on the PC. This makes it really easy to quickly identify what folders are using the most space. Now let's start checking for files and folders that we don't really need anymore. Usually things like old downloads, temporary files, duplicate videos, setup files, unused zip files, and random large folders can take up a lot of storage without you even noticing. So what you want to do is carefully go through these folders and look for anything unnecessary. For example, if you see an old game setup file or a large video file you don't use anymore, you can simply delete it and free up space instantly. But make sure you do not randomly delete Windows system folders or important application files unless you know exactly what they do. One thing I really like about WizTree is how visual everything is. You can instantly see large files and folders without manually searching through the entire PC. And down here at the bottom, you can also see this visual storage map, which helps you quickly identify massive files taking up space. So overall, this makes cleaning your storage much faster and easier compared to using normal File Explorer. Now, in my case, I actually found some really large files here. But the problem is, most of them are important to me, so I can't really delete them right now. Still, at least now I know exactly what's taking up my storage space, and that's the most useful part about this software. Instead of guessing, you can clearly see what's using your drive space instantly. And if you want to check where a specific file is located, it's super easy. Just right-click the file or folder and click Explore Folder. That will instantly open the file location in File Explorer, so you can manage or delete it directly from there. Now let's switch from Tree View to File View. This section shows your files in a much more detailed list view, including things like file size, location, type, and more. And one really useful feature here is this Duplicates Only option at the top right. If you enable that, WizTree will automatically show duplicate files on your PC. This is super useful because sometimes duplicate videos, images, or setup files can waste a huge amount of storage space without you realizing it. So definitely check that out if you want to free up even more space on your drive. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If this helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more PC tips, gaming tutorials, and useful software videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.